Aerogel, often called frozen smoke, is the world's lightest solid material, consisting of 99.8% air and just 0.2% silica. This remarkable material is such an effective insulator that a flower placed on top remains undamaged even when the base is heated to extreme temperatures. At the microscopic level, aerogel consists of a complex network of silica particles connected in a way that traps countless tiny pockets of air. NASA has utilized aerogel in space missions to protect equipment and collect space dust due to its incredible insulating properties and lightweight nature. In architecture, aerogel-based windows and insulation materials are revolutionizing energy-efficient building design. Scientists can now create aerogels from various materials, including carbon, metal oxides, and polymers, each with unique properties and applications. Despite being incredibly lightweight, some aerogels can support thousands of times their own weight while maintaining their structural integrity. The fashion and outdoor gear industries are incorporating aerogel into high-performance clothing for extreme weather conditions. Aerogel's enormous surface area and absorbent properties make it an excellent material for environmental cleanup, capable of absorbing massive amounts of oil and other pollutants. In medicine, researchers are exploring aerogel's potential for drug delivery systems and tissue engineering, opening new possibilities in healthcare.